Now listen to me carefully. Most software engineers, they learn a language, they work on it, they build tasks, they collect salary, and they stop growing. But if you want to get ahead of 99% of software engineers, you need to think differently. And in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that separates the average coder from the top 1% engineers who get the best jobs, also the best salary, and also the best respect. Hi guys, it's Benedict TBK from Sketch Motion, and if you're starting my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is a channel where we share beginner-friendly videos about tech and tech activities like this. Now, being a software engineer is not just about writing code. It's about thinking like a problem solver, also communicating like a leader, and also positioning yourself for opportunities. And today, I'm going to break it all down: skill, habit, mindset, and also tools that will put your light years ahead of most developer. In section one of this video is mastering the fundamentals deeply. Now, most engineers, they want to learn the most trending languages, but the top 1% understands this. Fundamental lasts forever. Data structures, algorithms, system designing, and clean code principles are timeless. And if you master this, you can adapt to any technology. And also take this down. Tools change, but principles don't. Now, the section 2 is learn system design early. Now, average developer only think of code in small function, but top engineers analyze how the whole system works. Now, learn system design, how to scale application, handle millions of users, also design databases that don't crash, and also make apps that are fast and reliable. This is the secret that companies like Meta, Google look for in senior engineers. Now, the third one is, or the section 3 is build real projects, not just tutorials. Now, it's high time you stopped copying projects from YouTube. Build real projects that solves problem. Create a tools that fixes something in your daily life. Also automate the project, contribute to open source, and once you solve real problems, you learn more than any tutorials can teach you. And now that is why I always say, rather than watching tutorials, build projects. It helps you gain more experience. So if you are the type that will always watch tutorials, stop it and start building projects. Now the section 4 is master communication skills. Best engineer is not the one who writes code the fastest. It is the one who can explain or break down complex ideas clearly to people. Now, work on your communication, learn to write documentation, and learn to speak fluently to non-technical people. Also, learn to collaborate. And now, if you can combine code with friends or good communication, you are unstoppable. Now, the section 5 is leverage automation and AI tools. Now, the world has changed. AI is here. Use it wisely. Now, learn how to use tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT to boost your productivity. Now, be the engineer who knows how to use AI more than anyone else. Section 6 is build a strong personal brand. Now, do you know that some engineers get hired even when they are not personally looking for job? Yes. Now, why? Because of they are visible. They write articles about what they are learning and about what they can build, or maybe they even start a blog or even a YouTube channel. Now, write articles about what you are learning and share your projects on GitHub. Opportunity comes to those who are seen. And now to the final section of this video, which is never stop learning but focus. Now, most engineers learn randomly. The first day they learn Python, second day they learn blockchain, the third day they learn something else. Now, this is a recipe for mediocrity. Instead, focus on your core area and go deep. Specialists earn more than generalists. And remember this, depth creates more value, not random breadth. Now, how do you get ahead of 99% of software engineers? Master the fundamentals, learn system design, build real projects, communicate better, use AI, also build your brand, and also focus on growth. Now, if you do this consistently, you won't just be an engineer, you'll be a top engineer. Now, thank you for watching, and if you are serious about being in tech, this is your blueprint. Now, if you like this video or found value in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.